154 million.
Bunge ya Senate nĩtabanirie gĩikaro kĩo kĩa mbere kũrĩa mũtaratara wa mbere uma gũcagũra munini wa Spika kĩhĩtahĩtano-inĩ kĩrĩa gĩkũgucĩrĩirie ahũranĩri erĩ arĩa nĩo Seneta wa Tharaka Nithi Kithure Kindiki wa Jubilee na Seneta wa Narok Ledama wa Kina wa ngwatanĩro ya NASA.
I further direct that the ballot box be locked in the presence of senators and that the ballot boxes be kept in the full view of the senators.
Thutha wa maseneta guthurana ikereka rĩa mbere gũtirĩ mũndũ ũkinyirie na mbere yendekanaga ya kura 45 niyo gĩcunjĩ kĩa 2/3 ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie gĩthurano kĩu kũingĩra ikereka rĩa kerĩ.
Kindiki Kithure 38 votes. Kina Ledama 17 votes. Spoiled ballots 0, absent 12, total 55. The threshold is supposed to be 45 votes, which has not been met, and therefore we shall take a second vote in accordance with Standing Order number 7.
Na thutha wa gũcokerwo gwa gĩthurano kĩu, Seneta wa Tharaka Nithi Kithure Kindiki akorwo agĩtangathwo ta munini wa Spika thutha wa kũhotana na kura 38 kũrĩa Nayo Ledama auma na kura 17.
I know every other senator who is seated here this afternoon has made some sacrifice to be here, and I thank all of you colleagues. The second thing I want to say is that I will serve with dedication and humility and make sure that what we do here brings dignity and honor to the Senate and to our beloved country.
Hĩndĩ ĩyo mbunge ya bururi niithire na mbere gutereta ndereti ya mutongoria wa bururi ino thiku ya gatatu ya gutereta ndumiriri iyo no mbere ya kwambia ndereti iyo Spika Justin Muturi akorwo akiruta mukana kwĩ mbunge ya ngwatanĩro ya NASA arĩa makoretwo magĩthema gwĩkinyia cikaro-inĩ cia mbunge.
Maybe doing their legislative oversight work in the villages or in market centers, those who may not wish to be here, or those ones you say who are in the bar, if they desire to attend, of course. Next order.
Thutha wa ndumiriri iyo ya Spika, ambunge nĩmatabanirie ndereti ya ndumiriri ya Uhuru Kenyatta kũrĩa ingĩ mamũhũrĩire ndebe ya guthurwo rĩngĩ ta mutongoria wa bururi.
It had everything to do with Kenya and not the president, and that portrayed the president as a selfless leader and a person willing to do everything he can to ensure that the country moves on well.
We are ready for the elections on the 17th. But Mr. Speaker, sir, for the avoidance of doubt, it is important for us to say here that the President of the Republic of Kenya to date, and until the next president is sworn in, remains President Uhuru Kenyatta.
So we really congratulate our president for that, and we, as his foot soldiers, parliamentarians, we are going to make sure that we talk to our people in our constituencies to make sure that we re-elect our president, and we are going to show them it is going to be even triple than what he received on 8th of August last month.
Giripotera Kameme TV, niĩ Getwo Wambui, Wajehia.